If you bought a house this year or you own other homes in South Florida, you know that we have been living through an insurance crisis in 2023. And today we're going to meet the CEO of Premier Protection Insurance Services, Jerry Katz.
Hey.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for having me.
A pleasure. How are you, Lotus? Okay, a lot of people want to know where insurance is going. If you look at the next 10 years, we're looking at probably a 50% government insurance marketplace. And that's unfortunately where we're going. If you go to California, it's already like that with the earthquakes and things of that nature. So I think that can sum it up. How do you save money? You get a new roof. Hurricane windows, those are the credits. New roofs that have triple straps. You can even retrofit old roofs as long as they're not over 20 years old, right to the straps or the toenails and things, and you get government credits. In Fort Lauderdale, I call it the flip-flop culture, right? So I'm an avid boater. Obviously, I live on the water in East Fort Lauderdale. I boat, I beach, I run around the Bahamas on my boat, my kids, things of that nature. I think it's one of the best places in the country to live, hands down. And I've lived everywhere from New York to California to Colorado, and I choose this as my home.